Hi everyone, welcome back. So, take a look at this picture. What do you see? A man and a woman? Adam and Eve eating the apple? That's right. Do you think that men and women are equal? Ha! Men and women have different thinking, different responsibilities? Interesting. How about you, Kwa? Women should stay at home and take care of the children? Why? Men are stronger so they can work? Okay. What do you think, Huyen? Men and women are equal and should have the same rights. So this is going to be the topic for today. We're gonna listen to a video about gender inequality and domestic violence. I'm also going to show you a new way to take notes. And finally, we will have a class discussion about this topic to test your understanding of the video. Are you ready? Let's go! So, let me ask you one question first. When you listen to a recording or a video or a presentation, how do you take notes usually? Kenta, you just write down everything as fast as you can? Kwa, you don't note down anything? Okay, well, I think that taking notes is very important, okay? Because it's proven that when you take notes, your brain will remember more than if you didn't take notes. So, what is the best way to take notes then? There are many ways you can take notes, but one way that is proven by science is the Cornell note-taking method. This is the method I'm going to show you today. So, what is the Cornell note-taking method? Anybody heard of it before? No? Okay, it's fairly simple. All you need is to take a blank sheet of paper like this, and then you will divide it into 3 sections, like this, okay? So, a big box on the left side, or right side if you choose, a small box on the bottom, and a column on the right or the left, okay? In the big box, during the listening, you're going to write down all of the main ideas. Everything that you think is important, you will write down in this big box. After the recording, you're going to create some comprehension questions that you're going to use to remember what you wrote in the big box. So you're going to create some questions about the information you wrote in the big box. And finally, you're going to write a summary of the information you learned in the video in the small box at the bottom of the page. So that's the Cornell note-taking method. So when we're going to play the video today, you're going to use that note-taking method, and at the end of the class, you're going to take a picture of the note-taking sheet that you did today. You're going to post that picture on the Google Classroom account of our group. Okay? So, where do you note down the main ideas? That's right, in the big box. When? During the listening. Good job. And when are you going to write the summary and the questions? After the listening, okay? All right. Before we listen to this video, we will just take a look at some concepts together. The first concept we're going to look at is socialization. So, what is socialization? Anyone? Talking with other people? Acting with other people? Going out? Well, it's a little bit like that, but it's more complicated. So I'm going to try to explain it to you a little bit. Okay? Socialization is the way that we learn how to interact with other people. So basically, when we're a kid, we are very influenced by the people around us. Our family, our society, maybe our church or our school. All of these things come into our minds and they influence the way that we see the world. This is what we call socialization.